How to scan QR code on CapCut. Hey everybody, in order to do that you may follow up these methods. So open up your CapCut application on your device first and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, tap on the Me tab in the bottom right corner. And then once you tap on it, you will be finding these options on your screen. Now from here, what you can do is you need to be logged in first, and after you log in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right to open up a menu. Once you open up a menu, these opens up. Now from the given option, select the first option that says scan. And once you do that, here you need to give access to the camera. And once you do that, what happens is you may go ahead and scan a QR code using this option. And you may just place the QR code and scan it using the scanner. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.